Alright guys, so sound selection basics. So first of all, let's start with natural instruments. The first and most important thing is the quality, of course. So let's say we want a guitar, we're either gonna use a sample or a VST that sounds like a real guitar. For this example, I use a sample from Splice. So second thing would be how to match this sound with another one. So natural instruments will fit great with any other natural instrument. So let's say with a sax, or maybe a violin, or a flute. So yeah, you get the idea with this one. Natural instruments go well with natural instruments. And the third thing that we consider when we do sound selection is to fill the frequency spectrum. So our guitar will sound around here. And let's say our sax will cover the mid to high frequencies. So these are the three basic things to consider. Now for synth-based instruments, we're gonna use low energy presets for chords and high energy ones for counter melodies. So let's say these are low energy and work great for chords, and this one is obviously a high energy one. So you get the idea. As for the drums, let's say you're making a drill beat. You obviously need to use a drill drum kit. And I say that because I hear a lot of people making drill beats with trap drum kits, and I can tell right away. And the way I choose my drums, so let's say I want a hi-hat, I'm gonna let my instruments play. And I'm gonna browse on the folder to see which one sounds tighter with my instruments. That's a way to start until you have some favorite ones that you know they will work almost every time. So yeah, even if all this sounds very obvious to some of you, I know that many people struggle with things like these, and I hope I could help some of you. So yeah, that's basically it for today, and I'm gonna see you soon. Cheers.